Hello class, welcome again to our channel Twist Knowledge Bank. So today we are going to learn maths. Before we were learning the chapter English, but now we are going to read maths. Yeah, you know that maths is a very important topic. So let's see what is the topic today and what we'll do there. Let's see. Cool. So today our topic is Roman numerals. Wow, this is a very great topic. Do you know, like Roman numerals is very important topic in our, like there are two types, Roman numerals and Indo-Arabic numerals, which are used in, which the all world Indians use. So you can see this like this. In normal numeral, like this I is called 1, this V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. You can see and note down in your copy these for learning it easily. So let's go ahead and see what are these. So there are some rules for Roman numbers. Like rule 1. Repetition of Roman numerals mean addition. Yes. Like if I do, like there is an example. I have written I, okay, I and I equals to 1 plus 1. Yeah, that I is 1, this I is 1, and this I is also 1, and we will plus this. And what is 1 plus 1? Yeah, of course, it is 2. So this number is 2, okay. There is an example for this also. Like there is 1, 2, 3 lines, yeah. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. You know it. Like these also examples are there. Like this, I have told you that x means 10. So 2x means 10 plus 10. Yeah, equals to 20. And 3x means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30. Okay. So you can learn it very easily. There's a caution also. Like only one I, X, C and M can be repeated. Like I have written I equals to I equals to 3, and X 20, X 30. Okay, this. And C also, like C is 100, so I write C plus C will 100, 100 and 100 plus 100 equals to 200. Okay, like this. So and V, L and D cannot be repeated. Yes, the V, L and D, these three cannot be repeated. Like if I write this and this is 5, this is 5, 5, 5. Yeah, so 5 plus 5, 10. But we have a digit for 10 also, like this cos. We have cos for 10. Like L is 50, so L, this is L plus 50 equals to 100. Yeah? But we have 100. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, so this I have told you. Now the second is no numeral can be repeated more than 3. Yeah, like I am writing 1 1 1 1. Like this one is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I cannot write this more than 3 times, but if I write 1 1 I, okay, so this is the correct. But if I write I, this is not the correct way of writing 4. 4 is like this. I and V means I will tell you in the next slide after some time. So let's see next. So next is our rule 2. Okay, just a minute. Sorry for this. Yeah. So next is our rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of the larger numeral is always added to the larger. Yeah. Like I have written V and I. So V means 5. Yeah. And plus V and I. Yeah. oh sorry, V and I. Okay, so V I have written means 5, but in the right of the is this side. If it is written, then it will be always added there. It will be always added to 5 plus 1. I is 1. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Okay, so like this. Like here examples is there. 5 I. See, I have told you that a number can be repeated only 3 times. See, you can hear. See here, like this is repeated only 3 times, and V is not repeated any time. Okay, so here like this is VI. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so you can see this. Now let's see our next tool. What is the next tool? So the next rule is rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of the larger is always subtracted from the larger. Left is this, and like I have written I and V. So I and V. So this is 5, but if 1, this is 1, okay, so if 1 is written at the left of it, left is this, okay, this side. So V minus I. So what is 5 minus 1? Let's do it. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So this is written as 4. Okay. In Indo-Arabic numeral, this is written as 4. Okay. So here you have seen the examples and the definition. So now let's go to the caution. So the caution is V, L and D are never subtracted. Okay, so V means 5. Yes. L means 50 and D means 500. So you can see like 1 0 is added, then 2 0 is added. Yeah. V, L and D are never subtracted. You can easily find it by adding 0 and 2 zeros. Okay. Now next. The next question is, it can be subtracted from I means 1, okay. I can be subtracted from V and X, like V means 5. 5 minus 1 if I do, it's 4, yeah. So 4 we will write it like this. And then if we want to write 9, X minus 1 is what? 9. So 9 we can write it as X and V, okay. Now the next one is, X can be subtracted from L and C, okay. X can be subtracted from L and C, like L means 50, okay. 50 minus 10, like X and L. So this is at this side. So this is now 40, okay. Like C is also like this only. So now let's go to the fourth rule, that is the last one. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately. Like here, X is 10, I is 1 and V is 5. Okay. So 10 is the bigger number, 5 is the bigger number, but 1 is the smaller number. So this is like this, and you can see the example, 10 plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus, so first we will take 5 minus 1, okay. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4, yes. Okay, it's 4. So 10 plus 4 equals to 14. You can check it like 10, you can see, plus 5, I have told you like this 4, this is 4, yeah, this and this, 5 means this equals to 5 and minus 1 is 4, okay. So this is 10 plus 4 equals to what? 14, yes. So the second example is also like this, X is 10, I is 1 and X is 10. So 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Yes, which can written as I and X. So 10 plus yani means 10 plus 9. Okay, 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay, so you can see this. Now let's go ahead. So this is the thing we are going to learn now. So this is Hindu Arabic numeral and Roman numeral. This is also Hindu Arabic numeral and Roman numerals. 1 is I, 2 is, I have told you like 1 is I, yeah. So I plus I, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, like this. This you can write down in your notebook or in your copy for learning it very easily. So let's go ahead and do what one more thing, like A 52. Just a minute. 52. Okay, how will write 52? 50 plus 2. Okay, 50 plus 2 is 52. So we will write as like LII means 50. L is 50 plus II equals to 2. So yani 50 plus 2 is 52. This is the easiest way, like you can just convert it into this into this, and you can easily take out the answer like this also. Here similarly we have XCVII. So here is 90 plus 8 equals 98. Like this is C. This is at the left. Okay, so at the left will be always subtracted. So C, this is C and X. So this will minus 10 minus 100. It's 90. Okay, 9. This is 90. Now how the 8 comes? And the right is always added. Yeah. So there 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is 90 plus 8 is 98, and we can write it as XCVII, and this VII, and this is only the correct form of writing this. You can see this, and let's go ahead to the exercises. We are going to do what is now comparing Roman numbers. We have to compare these Roman numbers. Okay, so this is, what is this? This one is 10. This is 2. So which is the bigger one, 10 or 2? Yeah, of course the 10 is the bigger one. 10 is the bigger. I will do 5. I will do 7, and after that you will do. Okay, so x is 20. Okay, just a minute. Sorry for this. Now this is 20. X and X is 20, and this is X1 and X, I and X. So X minus 1. So X minus 1 is 9. So this is 29. This one is 29, and what is this? This is 10. This is 21. Okay, so which is the bigger one, 29 or 21? Of course the 29 is the bigger one. So here now the next one is X. Okay, so I will do 5, and after that you can do. Now this is X and V. So V is 5 and X is, okay, so we can do like X is 10. Yeah, and in X we will add VII is 7. So in 10 we will add 7. So it is 17. This is 17 and this is 13. X 1 1 1. Okay, 10 means 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So which one is the bigger one, 17 or 13? Of course the 17 is bigger. Now like this, the other one is also there. So this 4 I have done. Now the fifth one I will show you. Like this is the x is 10 and this is 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9 and this is 21. So which one is the bigger one? 21, of course. So now the 6 to 16. Okay, 6 to 16. These you have to do. You can do this at your home in your notebook. So now let's go to the other exercise, that is, okay, here write the correct number next to each Roman numeral. Like this is this XVII. Okay, so this is X is 10. Okay, now X is 10 and this VII. So the VII is 8, I mean 7. So this is 17. Okay, 10 plus 7 is 17. So we will write here 17. I will do 4 exercise, 4 sums. After that you can do it. Now the second one is x and x. It is 20. XIV means x is 10 minus 4 means, okay, this is 4 and x plus 4 we have to do. So this is 14. Okay, so this is 14. So this is the 14 and the fourth one is, this is 20. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20 and 20 plus 5 is 25. So we will write it as 25. Okay, so from 5 to 14, these sum you can do at your home. So now come to the next one. Write the correct Roman numeral next to each number. So in this we have to write the Hindu Arabic numeral, but here we have to write the Roman numerals. So 30, like we can do it as x means 10 plus 13. So x plus I. So this is 3 and this is 10. So this do not consider as 103, but we have to do a plus. So it is 13. So this one is XII. 30 we can write it as XXX. But if it will be 40, then what will do? We cannot write X and X. This is the correct way. But we can do it as L is 50. So L and X. So this one is 40. Okay, do not do a mistake for writing X 4 times, because it can be, because every number which can be repeated can be write only 3 times. Okay, now the third is 9. 9 means 1 and X, and it means 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, fourth one is 50. So L. Okay, in this I am doing 6 exercises. After that you can do till 14. So the 5 is XXV. So this is 25. This one is 19. Okay, so 19 we can write it as like this, and we will write this X, because if we write 5, we cannot write it at 4 times. We can write it as only 3 times. So we can minus 1 from 10. So it is 9, and 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay, so from 7 to 14, 7 sums you can do it as at your home. Now next, match the Roman numerals. It is our last exercise. Okay, X and X. So this is 30. It's done. L X V means L means 50. X means 10. X means 10, and what is the V? V is 5. So plus these. So first we'll do 5 plus 10, 15. and this 15 plus, okay, this is 50. Okay, sorry for the mistake. This is 50. So this is 50 plus 10 is 60, and 60 plus 5 is 65. So let's find where 65. Okay, this is 65, and this one is this. So now I will do one more. After that you can do it. Now the third is x plus x is 20. This is 20. This is v plus I equals to 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. Let's find where is 26. 59, 90, 30, 63, 65, 80, 49, 97, and there is 26. Okay, wow, we got it. Now, these two I have done, and one is done before only. So now, these you have to do. Okay? Now, so thank you. If you like our video, if you think that this video is helpful for you, so please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.